Hello, this is Stephen in Wiltshire and England, and welcome to the complete Lightstream to YouTube course. Now, I'm going to tell you what's in the course. First of all, the introduction, and this tells you how to download the software, which gives control over certain parts of your computer when you actually go live, like your camera and your microphone. And also, I'll give you a conducted guided tour of the Lightstream Production Center. Now, I know you want to go live, so the next thing we do is take you live on your own. So we set up your camera, and once we've done that, we connect it to YouTube, and we go live on YouTube so that you can broadcast to the world, and you can watch me do it as I do it, and then you go live yourself, and I'll show you how to look at the video afterwards. Now, Lightstream has many features to help you go live. You can put text on the screen, graphics, you can even play a live video or recorded video on your live broadcast. So we'll go through all the Lightstream features, desktop sharing, application sharing, and then you'll know exactly what assets you've got when you go live. Now, creating shows, first of all, you need to know what you're going to talk about. So we'll decide what you're going to talk about. We'll decide who you're going to talk with. We'll look at finding guests for your show, because it's more fun when there are two people on camera, and we'll show you how to find a guest. Then we'll go live, and I'm going live with my colleagues who I broadcast with every week. That's David, John, Tina, and Angelica, and we've got weekly shows that go out live, and you can watch and see the equipment they use and the stars that they adopt when they're live broadcasting. When you are live broadcasting, it's good to actually watch other people doing it so you get a sense of what you can do. Now, in addition to going live with people, you can go live and you can do instructional videos. So that's you on camera with sharing a web page or an application and talking about it. Now, I've done that for 3 applications, and you'll see that in chapter 6. Then we look behind the scenes. Some of the shows that you've watched the replays of, and show you how they were actually created using the Lightstream Control Center. What to do after your broadcast is important, and we've also shown you how to promote the broadcast before, during, and after. Then there are 2 scenarios that were set up showing you how you can get the best out of Lightstream for your business, because this is about your broadcasting, and we want to help you use Lightstream to reach an audience and get your message out. Finally, we take you behind the scenes of YouTube and show you the processing and the editing of the video that you've recorded. And finally, you'll find all the links that you need to get support, to get information about going live on Lightstream. I look forward to helping you during this course. If you have any questions, just ask, and I'll come along and answer. Now, I find that YouTube is a great place to broadcast, and Lightstream is the first system that I found where you can have 4 people on screen broadcasting live to the world, and it works.